Like how. What are you doing to your hair, Miss Jam Tours?
I'm trying to style it.
Style it how?
Like, I tied knots at night, so I'm removing them. So you see, they're still lampu.
So you want to make it curly?
Yeah, it's curly already.
Mm. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, guys, today, we're actually going to get a, what do you call it, eye chair. Yes. Boy. Da da da. 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 Yeah, family. So baby Amesh is eating from this pram. And as you can see, guys, you wipe the pram? It's very dirty, family. So and what we noticed that he's leaning sideways, like you want to fall out. So now we have to go and get you an eye chair. Eye chair for you to eat from your eye chair. Eye chair. Eye chair, boy. Is it eye chair? Yes, eye chair. Yes.
What I meant.
What you mean? This is how you wear it. This is how Miss Jam Tours wearing her hair, family.
Them African women.
So Miss Jam Tours is wearing natural hair, don't care.
Yeah. I feel so light. God, thank God I cut those locks. Thank God I cut them, but you don't know why I cut them, right?
Yeah.
It's already there.
Yeah, family. So, you know, we're gonna go to Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo, Amesh. Yeah, family. So we're actually heading to Peekaboo to get an eye chair. And that's what Amesh will be eating with from now on. As you know, guys, we're adding to the family, so you know, I mean, we have to, you know, kind of get win off this boy of all these things, so he can manage on his own while we focus on the newborn. Getting a little brother or sister or a twin brother or sister, Amesh. Which one you want? Amesh? Twin? You want twin? You want twin? Twin. So you won't be lonely. Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours is getting ready. As you can see, she's gonna rock her natural hair today, and she's doing some stuff to it. You're styling it.
Yeah, I want to start here at the front and then push it back.
Yeah, family. So I'll show you when we're going. We'll show you how it come out. If it come out good,
I need a toothbrush.
and you let us know if she can rock natural hair like normal without care natural hair. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. Continue watching the vlog while we take you to Peekaboo to get this eye chair for our baby Amesh. Baby boy. Yes. Come. Get up. Stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up. Stand up. Stand up for your right. Preacher man, don't tell me that heaven is in the sky. Now you see the light, Amesh. Stand up for your rights. Yeah, family. This is Miss Jam Tours with her eyebrows.
Mm-hmm.
So this is how you do it.
Yeah, you're trying to get the shape. I want to be as accurate as possible.
Yeah, families, it seems like Miss Jam Tours is a professional in this thing. Oh, this is how you wipe it off. This is how she wipe off the brownness.
Just feel it inside the thing.
Wow. So you have to wipe the bottom too.
Yeah. so that you won't go looking like God, like a monkey. Just feel it inside the eye.
I'll turn around, let me see now.
I'm not yet done.
What do you have to do next? There's too much things you have to do?
Not really, but you want it like, perfect and all that. So there's some places that you just need to line a little.
So they use that to mark it?
Not really marking, but just
To mark the black spot?
lining the edge.
You'll learn to do this because you mess up your eyebrow. You have to know how to do this.
Could be.
Alright, so you turn around and let me see it.
The funny thing, I still used to draw my eyebrows, but I'm not yet really white so good.
Too much of one thing, good for nothing.
Even mom asked
Too much
me,
and spoil the brat.
I remember mom told me, no, what was taking you to that salon and you know how to draw your eyebrows, but I think I wanted a tint for like a week
Yeah.
because I was like modeling, so I didn't want the hassle of like drawing back and forth. I guess I'm done with my eyebrows today.
Alright, so let's go. Hey family, so I'm here learning about lipstick. When you put in a lipstick, you don't rub the top and the bottom. You do it like that to munch it, to make it stick. Wow, I never know that. I thought you have to do,
No.
you do both, top and bottom. So you just put enough on.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, never know that. I guess it's a female thing. All female must know this. Let me see now, turn around.
Should I add more? That's enough.
Also, overdo it.
No, not overdoing.
Them are overdo it.
Yeah. I like that.
For some reason, when somebody in a natural just look funny to me, but I guess.
Akibi. So then I was told me to put lipstick.
Yeah, but when you do it and when I see it now, it just look away to me. It's just like, I don't know.
Like a ghost.
From somebody in a natural, it just look different to me.
And then I'm switch natural.
Yeah?
And then I'm switch natural here.
I guess it's fine, but you know what I mean. It's just
I think once in a day, sometimes a girl wants to feel like, I don't know. I'm sure ladies can comment and tell me. Or sometimes you just feel like being,
being unnatural,
really,
being genetically modified.
yeah. I just want to be.
I don't know.
It's called mascara.
Mascara
Yeah.
or mascara.
Mascara.
What it do to the eyebrow? Make the eyebrow stand up?
Yeah, like you're combing them not to look so,
Look so what?
like you're just there, you need a little touch.
To make your eyebrow stand up?
Yeah. And look at my own and your own. Can you see your eyebrows?
I don't have an eyebrow.
Can you see your lashes? Not even eyebrows.
So you really want to see it because there's the reason to put on this mascara. It's for you to see your eyebrow because what I notice, that you really can't see your eyebrow when you look at it. So that's the reason why a female do this.
Yeah.
Wow. Guess I'm learning. Sweetie, where are you going in heels? Watch it, look. You know, say you're pregnant, you're not supposed to wear heels. Can you manage it?
Of course. But it's not like a big heel.
It's not like a big heel. So it's like a what?
It's just a little heel. Like 3-inch. Shall we?
Miss Jam Tours want to take photo. You want to go this way? This way is better. I think maybe you can look on the. Maybe you can look on the. Passion. You don't want to eat nothing. Well, let's take your regular then, sweetie, if you're shy. Yeah, family, so I'm gonna try something new today. This is what I'm trying today. Yeah, family, so let me try this. So nice. Yeah, family, so we just reached at Peekaboo. So we just reached at Peekaboo. Sweetie, where are you going? We just reached at Peekaboo, family, so we're just gonna pick that high chair for Amish. So let's go. Yeah. Oh yeah. He's Muslim. Peekaboo. Oh man, beyond. Hey, we can check there for the duvet cover, sweetie. Let's go and we're coming back. That is big kangaroo, sweetie. This is kangaroo I'm talking about. Yeah, I think it is. It's very big. Yeah. Yeah, that you cannot finish. Need to speak to the manager.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Which one was it? That one? Yes. The high chair the last time we look at it. It's still available?
Yeah, this one, the one on sale.
Yeah.
This is one, 8,900.
Okay. Oh, these are the colors.
Yeah, these are the colors.
This one.
Okay, you want this one?
Wow, I like inside. I like the feel, the leather. Yeah, the leather inside.
So nice.
And it says 3 levels down. You can adjust it.
Yeah, it's not necessary to adjust. but you can detach it. You see, like this one, it comes with wheels. Okay, this one has wheels.
Ah, okay.
Now you can detach the wheels, and the remain is something like this one. Okay. Yeah. Then once the kid becomes bigger, you can still remove this lower part. Then comes like a toddler seat.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, when the kid is big. So this is the toddler seat. This is not like a toddler seat. Yeah.
So like what age? Like, well, I guess.
2 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the wheel. This is the wheel for what?
For making it like that one.
So what it can move.
If you want
Ah, you get a wheel with it
The
too.
wheels has brakes. You can also
Ah, wow. So you can push him around and stuff. Wow, that's nice.
feel just like he's in a
No,
in the stroller.
no, but the stroller don't have nothing here like this, sweetie.
Hello.
Hey.
No, he's not in a stroller.
But the stroller don't have nothing like this, sweetie.
No.
Oh, you can even take it off like this if you want.
But now
But
again,
you strap him down.
and bring it down to be like that.
Ah,
How do you remove all those? Or you remove it?
yeah, I guess it'll.
To make it long.
you just put
Let's pull it. It's just connect A. Yeah. So which color is here one? This one? Yeah, I think that one is nice, sweetie. Yeah, that one is nice. Yeah.
give you an piece. Now box.
Okay.
Okay, something else? Take a break, bro.
Well, nothing else. Oh, is the manager around?
Yeah, it's around.
Can I ask to speak with the manager?
I want to speak to the manager.
Yeah.
Okay.
When I ask if he want that.
What is this baby?
Baby Moses.
Moses baby or Moses baby?
This one.
Hey. Who I'll buy for the little one now? See the little baby. So nice.
Moses chair.
This one is 15,750.
But it's nice.
Yeah, it's nice. It has the thing.
It's a basket you can.
Yeah, you can.
You can detach it.
Yeah,
Touch
you
it.
can
Okay, and
In
carry
the
it.
car. Yeah.
Okay, it's nice.
So next we are coming for this. It comes with all these, right?
Yeah. Everything is inclusive. Yeah, mpaka hapo.
Wow, this is here and mosquito.
Yeah, I'm
Oh, that's nice.
Mkachukua melala.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, but this is good for basking outside. For
Yeah.
for infant.
Mm.
You see, it's padded.
Yeah.
The pad is so nice.
Mm. So this come with it too?
Yeah, everything.
Everything. Wow, it's nice.
I guess next we'll come for and this one.
Yeah.
No, it's
Yeah.
good for basking outside.
Yeah.
So we come for this. This is the swab.
This is a swing now.
Swing.
It goes sideways. This is not the swing, which goes sideways.
Okay. I see. Oh, it's let. Okay, so it's moved by itself. Okay.
That is this. How much is this?
This one is 18,950.
No, why is it expensive than the other one?
And that one is more. That one is more durable, sweetie. More long, you can have that one.
That one I'm having for the long.
Look at this one. It's riding thing.
Yeah.
Now this one is a rocker.
Rock,
Then you
okay.
can use it as what do you call it? Like a car. You can turn the wheels. So
Oh, you can do that. Peekaboo. How much?
This one
Everything
is
for the baby.
16,000. Yeah, it's very well.
How much can we make?
It's all safety.
Oh, no, it goes here.
Yeah, then it goes.
Okay, give me how much?
Give my test drive. It's a playpen. Yeah, family. So if you need to come and get stuff for your kids, Peekaboo is the place.
When baby girl comes.
Yeah. Teach her to cook.
Yeah. Next.
Mm.
16, right?
Yeah.
So, give us.
So I get you this one.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let me go.
Which girl?
Yeah, family. So this is it. Let's go.
I hope I don't topple. Trying to video you. guess I'll be behind you rolling. Love. Peekaboo.
So we just come from Peekaboo. All the top brands. Carter's, Chico, Phillips, all of the learning stuff for your kids.
Dr. Brown's. I'm not showing, I'm a good videographer.
I mean, she got a bottle to play with. Yeah, family, so we just got back home. I'm gonna set this chair for him now. As you can see. You want it to the higher one or the lower one? Upper one. Give me a screwdriver.
That's nice.
This is the instruction. There's the seat. I like the leather seat. Then this is this. This is the box. Yeah, family. So as you can see, I almost finished setting it up. Just to add the taller foot. So you see, now I want to like this feeling easier. Yeah? You don't want it like this. So you can make it higher or lower. Higher, higher, lower, 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 lower. I think maybe it's higher is better. Yeah, family. So we're actually gonna make it stay low for now. So Amesh can actually feed on this lower. So guys, you know, thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share and comment. We're just gonna pack up these things back, and you know, while we wait until he get a little older, we'll put him on the high chair and put him around the table. So for now, family, I want you to like, share and comment. Miss Jam Tours, what do you have to say? I have nothing to say. I mean, I have nothing to say.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.
To the Jam Tours Africa Family channel. This is Uncle Roo.
It's
I'm
because
out.
I'm tired, that's why I'm not even thinking straight.
Okay.
The sun has really scorched me and that's all.
So guys, we are out. One love, God bless, Jamaica. Amesh, you're trying your chair for the first time? Yes, your feet. Guys, you look like it's smaller than him. Yeah, Amesh?
For how long?
I know adjustment.
Well, the cup is different, so it doesn't matter.
How? Well, it's not bad. See how he's enjoying?
Amesh? Yes.
Then you put your ball here.
Throw it up there, see, throw it up. Throw it up fine.
I bet you see until he sees him doing something.
Throw it up on the table.
He wants his comb. I think you can see the ball.
So you want to throw it up. Throw it up again. Throw it up.